How to delete all your Facebook posts. Hi, in this video, I will guide you how to delete all your Facebook posts. You can apply this guide in Android phone or iOS phone. First, open your Facebook app. Tap the hamburger icon in the right side of your Facebook. Depending on the phone, it will be on the top right side of the screen or on the bottom right. Next, go to your Facebook profile and then tap the three dots button beside in the edit profile. After that, in this section, you will see a lot of options, but all you have to do is to tap the activity log. In this section, aside managing your post, you can also manage your tags, interactions, manage the group and communities, events, and Rails activities. You can check also your profile information, check your connection. You can check also your log action and other activities, and activity history. To proceed in deleting your post, just go Manage Posts. All you have to do is to check the All button. And after that, tap the Recycle button. And then tap the Move to Trash. It will take some time to delete all your posts. After 30 days, Facebook will delete it permanently. In case you want to check some posts you deleted, you can check it in the recycle bin. And also, you can restore it if you want. For example, if you want to restore this post, tap the three dot icon in the right side and restore to profile and tap to restore. Just tap the back and as you can see, you can restore now your post. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on notification bell and subscribe for more updates.